Aging wine in stainless steel versus oak barrels. What's the difference? What does it do to the wine? So stainless steel critically is not porous, it's not letting any air through the side, and it's not influencing the flavors and aromas of the wine. It's a very neutral and somewhat reductive way to store the wine. It doesn't let any oxygen in. Whereas oak barrels are porous. They let a little bit of air in that oxygenates the wine at a very, very slow rate. But also oak barrels can leach certain compounds into the wine, like vanilla and aromas that are similar to cinnamon or nutmeg. So what oak barrels are going to give you is this sensation of baking spice in the wine, and also that oxygenation can, in the case of white wines, bring in some nutty characteristics, and in red wines some more savory, earthy aromas as well with enough oxygen.